What's up, everyone? This is Natalie from Serpstat, and I want to welcome you all back into our series for Serpstat. But before we go ahead and get on to our main agenda for today, I want to just give you a quick overview of this amazing tool um, for white label audits that are intended for your website. So if you want that, then do head on over to Serpstat.com right now because we have that tool just for you. So here, if you scroll down on the Serpstat landing page, you get to see this free guide, the advertisement rather for this free guide that will show you how Serpstat is generating agencies an additional thousands of dollars per month on autopilot. So just leave your first name and your email and subscribe to our mailing list. Then finally click on this find out how button so that you can be given instructions on how exactly our lead generation tool can work for you. So going back to our main topic for today, which is still all about Serpstat. If on previous videos we've just went through overviews and stuff like that, so for this specific video we will be going a bit more in depth about what you can expect from the projects that are here in Serpstat, and I'm just going to be opening one of the projects that are already here. But don't you worry if you want to know how exactly it is to make a new project. We'll be discussing that probably on the next couple of videos that we'll be making. But for now, we're just gonna be looking over at what it is you can, or what is included when you make a project. So many pop-outs. So here you have, or I am showing you the full view for the PearLemon.com project. As you can see here, there are different widgets for visibility, estimated search traffic, organic keywords, and paid keywords. So here, so those are like summaries of the different performance indicators for this specific project. But here, when you just a little bit of a scroll, you'd see a more detailed explanation of the following results. So here you can see organic keywords, the list of keywords here, and then the results that are gathered throughout the analysis, keyword position distributions, visibility trend, which is very important, especially if you're really looking to up your engagements, your just your overall interaction with your audience. Here you also have traffic trends, so you get to see all of these dates below the graph because those are the indicating durations or specific dates when these results are being placed. And then here you have keywords trend, top pages, as well as their keywords distribution graph. Here you see, or you have competitors in organic research. So of course you have to be aware of your competitors and know what they're doing to thrive, or what better things are they doing than your strategies. But in this case, I'm glad to see that PearLemon.com is doing quite well as compared to all our other competitors. Here you also have a competitors graph if you're more on the visual side. As examples, so those are ones that you can add as we go along. And then for rank tracker, you can also utilize that. Of course, some of these are quite it has limitations depending on the type of subscription that you currently have. So depending on what you need, you'd be basing that basically. So here we also have backlinks overview, site audit, and that's it. So if you also want to create a report with this data, you can do so. And on the next videos, I will be showing you how to create a report, so don't you worry. But yeah, that's basically what you can expect from an entire projects page here in Serpstat. You can also export that, of course, so that you can view these results easily